Hello everyone, this is Mike. I've got so much footage and no time to really do anything with it, to be honest with you. So I'm just going to do a kind of a quick video. It's actually a 7 minutes video. There is that bird there is a mountain bluebird. And over the past year I've been leaving food out for them. If you look down the valley, this is about 7,000 maybe 6,000 feet above sea level, and what I'm doing is I've just started to film it, and I turned the camera around so that we could see down the valley. Can you see down the valley? That's Glenwood Springs down below, and it's the same place as I've always had the camera, but I just turned it to face down below, and that meant I was leaving the food for the chipmunks and the squirrels and the skunk and the birds. But now, if you look a bit further along, magpies have seen it, and the magpies just dominate and bully all the other creatures now. So in my quest to show you just how beautiful the area is, what I've done is I've invited magpies to bully the rest of the birds. Anyway, I've got lots of movies to make. I've got one of a bear that keeps attacking the bins, and I've got one of John Gidney's artwork, the museum. I just haven't had the time. I kind of run pretty busy at the moment. I still go out hiking most days, and that in the distance, that mountain in the distance, can you see it on this video? It's 12,995 feet. It's a volcano that did not erupt. I climbed it years ago, and I keep meaning to climb it, but I haven't re-climbed it. I'm going to stop talking in a minute and just let you watch the video. Excuse me, well, I haven't really done a great amount of editing. It's just a long video of birds feeding. If you can handle it, that's it. Towards the end, you're going to see it at night time, and you are going to see some magpies. 1 for sorrow, 2 for joy, 3 for a bird, 4 for a boy. Okay guys, have a great Sunday. Take a look at these mountain bluebirds before they get swamped by magpies. Thank you. Hopefully everybody's doing really good. Bye bye. Oh, sorry. Also ignore the dates on the cameras. Every time I set the dates on the cameras, the year and things just keep changing around. I don't know why they keep changing, but I can't seem to. I'm gonna have to reset the camera. I can't seem to get the correct date. Okay, I'll be back with a better video soon. Just thought I'd show you these ones. Okay, thank you.